In today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Yahoo Mail account using built-in security features that only take a few minutes to set up. Email accounts store a lot of personal information, so adding extra protection is one of the smartest things you can do to keep your data safe from hackers and unauthorized access. I'll walk you through how to access your account security settings and enable two-step verification so your Yahoo Mail becomes much more secure. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account by visiting mail.yahoo.com. Log in with your email address and password if you are not already signed in. Once your mailbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon. This icon usually shows your profile picture or the first letter of your email name. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. After clicking your profile icon, you will see several options related to your account. From this menu, click on Manage Your Account. This will take you to the Yahoo Account Management dashboard, where you can control your personal information, privacy settings, and most importantly, your security settings. On the account page, look at the menu on the side and click on the option labeled Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your Yahoo account. Once you are inside the security section, scroll until you find the option called Two-Step Verification. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection to your account. That means even if someone knows your password, they still cannot access your account without the second verification step. Click on Two-Step Verification to open the setup page. Yahoo will now show you different ways you can enable two-step verification. One option is push notification approval. With this method, when someone tries to sign into your account, Yahoo will send a notification to your device asking if it was you. You simply tap approve to confirm the login. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to secure your account. Another method is using your phone number. When you enable this option, Yahoo will send a verification code to your phone by SMS whenever you try to sign in from a new device. Enter the code you receive on your phone to complete the login process. This ensures that only someone with access to your phone can enter your account. You can also secure your account through the Yahoo mobile app. The app can send verification prompts and security alerts directly to your device, which makes login verification quick and convenient. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Once enabled, your Yahoo Mail account will be significantly more secure. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to secure your Yahoo Mail account using two-step verification and Yahoo's built-in security tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.